What's up guys, and welcome to another video. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to remove those little arrows on your icons, the shortcut arrows on your icons, to make this will help make your Windows look a little more cleaner. So if you find this video helpful, just like, subscribe to the channel and click on the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any videos that I do. So now let's get started. First of all, click on the Windows search button and type registry editor. Registry editor. Then you click on yes. It brings you here. So now you come to HKey local machine over here. Then you drop it down and you go to software. You click it to bring the drop down. Afterwards, you look for Microsoft. You click it to give you a drop down. Then afterwards, you scroll down. Look for Windows. Click it to give you a drop down and look for current version. Click it to give you another drop down. Then you come to Explorer. Now when you get here, you just have to right click, hover over the new, click on key. Now we have a new key that we have to rename. So we will rename this to shell icons. Then press enter. So now you double click on the shell icons and you right click over here, go to new string value. So now when you get to the new string value, you rename it to 29. Now after renaming it to 29, you double click on it again and type the data value that I'm typing in here. So the percentage sign, win, TIR, another percentage sign, capital S, Y, small s, T, M, system 32, backslash, shell 32 dot DLL, comma 50. So I'll leave it in the description in case you want to copy and paste it. So yeah, so click on OK. Now when you click on OK, you just have to come to Task Manager and you scroll down. Now here you see Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer. So just go to Task Manager, scroll down. Now when you see Windows Explorer, you right click and click on Restart. So yeah, as you can see, all the icons have disappeared and now my desktop is looking more cleaner and nicer. So yeah. So if you want to bring it back, if you want to bring all these back again, you just have to go to your registry editor, go to the shell icons and delete this one. After deleting, either you restart your computer, or you restart the Windows Explorer, and now everything will be back again. So yes, this is how to remove the shortcut arrows from your icons. So if you find this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And yeah, see you in another video. Bye.